Measuring email traffic volumes empowers leaders in your sales and customer-facing teams to make data-informed decisions when balancing workload within or across teams. timetoreply uses email header data to decide whether a conversation thread should be classed as inbound, internal, or outbound based on the sender and recipient of the first email in the thread. A new email received by your team from a mailbox outside of your company is categorized as the start of a new inbound conversation. When your team member creates a new email and sends it to a recipient outside of your company, it's a new outbound conversation. And should one of your team members create a new email and send it to a coworker, that would be the start of a new internal conversation. Understanding these differences in conversation types while keeping an eye on the email traffic volumes helps leaders ensure they have the right size teams to handle the work.